Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. No, this isn't a screw machine, it's a screw presenter. Anyway, well, this little tool is built for high-speed production. Its job is to keep assembly lines moving by feeding fasteners automatically, so operators don't have to hunt a screw for every hole. That might sound boring, but tools like this are exactly why the cost of goods can go down, or at least not go up as fast. Automation quietly chips away at repetitive labor, and seeing tools like this show up more might be a sign of certain manual assembly jobs are becoming rarer. When I bought this unit, it came with a bag of screws. Great, right? Except the seller shipped these screws inside of the machine, so they rattled down into every crevice, jamming it completely. So the first challenge became what I like to call forced familiarity. You don't know how a device works, and you must figure it out because it's broken. When we lift this cover, we have a hopper. The metal floor rises and falls, dumping the fasteners towards a vibrating track. The ones that aligned correctly drop into a channel. The misaligned ones are swept back to try again. It's a tiny mechanical game of life. Survival of the straightest. The vibration system wasn't working when I received it, but after removing those screws from inside, it moves the screws towards the exit where they're presented at the funnel tip. That funnel tip gives the operator a larger target, reducing hand and eye effort and freeing up their attention. When a screw is ready at the tip, the machine senses it and stops automatically. For the first test, I 3D printed this ornament. It has 9 fins with 2 screws per fin. Now the one-handed operation is very nice. One hand is able to position the part while the other hand can retrieve a fastener and mount it in one go. I don't really even think we need a comparison. This is certainly much faster than manual fasteners. For the second test, I made this block. This block has 169 holes in it on 200,000 spacing. As you can see, a machine like this is designed for high productivity and long-term use. Now I get why production floors would love these. Let me know what you think of this little screw-feeding monster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.